Hello everyone, I am John Paul Enbarno, 18 years old, a grade 12 AM student at St. John Bosco, Kotkot National High School. I live in San Antonio, Hubay, Liloan, Cebu. My mother's name is Geraldine N. Baino. She's a housewife. And my father's name is Apolinario G. Baino Jr. And he works as an electrical maintenance in a rubber company. My hobbies are watching movies, listening to music, and doing the house chores. I'm the oldest of my
Three.
siblings, two brothers and one sister. Throughout my studies, I have developed a strong foundation in electrical safety and the use of industry standard tools. I have also gained practical experience in residential and commercial wiring, ensuring compliance with electrical codes and the regulations. Beyond academics, I am eager to continue expanding my knowledge through internships and on-the-job training, preparing myself for a career as a licensed electrician or an electrical technician. My goal is to contribute to the electrical industry, providing safe, efficient, and innovative electrical solutions. My dream is to be an electrician like my father because he is very hardworking. He works at morning and night. The other reason why I want to be like my father because he almost got all the tools and materials needed in the work. Lastly, to achieve my dream, I need to manage my time and work hard. With my dedication and continuous learning, aspire to become a skilled professional in the electrical field, ready to take on challenges and make a difference in the industry. That's all. Thank you so much.